Yeah, hello guys. I've got several requests on my Telegram page. Um, Different questions as regard how to withdraw your staked tokens on the Merlinlab platform. So in this video guide, I'll be showing you how to withdraw your staked tokens on the Merlinlab platform. It is very easy, just as it was while you staked your tokens on the platform. So you follow the normal routines. You connect to the Merlin platform, you select the right chain, the Binance Smart Chain network, and then you connect by clicking the connect button on the dashboard. So here I am on the Merlin platform. You take a scroll to the pool at which you staked your tokens. You click on it, and then you click on withdraw. After clicking on withdraw, you click on maximum, and then you click on withdraw all. By clicking on withdraw all, it will initiate a transaction, and all you have to do is approve the transaction and you will have your tokens in your wallet. It's very easy. And the same way, if you want to claim, all you have to do is click on claim token. Very easy as well, and you sign the transaction. You can try this out, and of course let me know. The Merlinlab platform remains the best yield farming to auto compound your assets in 2021. Have a good day.